Center for Public Policy Research recently conducted a study on India's khadi sector. This study shows a clear wastage of public money in the sector. Government of India has spent a significant amount of money in the tune of rupees 2000 crore for the promotion of khadi program. This was aimed at benefiting rural economy through increasing khadi production and sales and more employment generation in the sector. The study shows that despite the significant spending, khadi production and sales declined significantly. The employment opportunities also declined significantly in the sector. The huge amount of money spent for the economic empowerment of the poor artisans were not reaching the hands of the poor artisans. Rather, it was appropriated by the middlemen in the sector. Khadi sector is an overregulated one where the entire production, sales and distribution process is fully regulated by Government of India through the Khadi and Village Industries Commission under the administrative control of Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises. The restrictive practices adopted by KVIC have resulted in becoming the sector inefficient and ineffective, as well as resulted in the failure of delivering economic empowerment to the poor artisans. The study recommends a series of measures for the revival of sector, which include the following: removing the entry barriers in the sector like the certification of khadi products, marketing khadi products through private retail stores, allowing the poor artisans in the sector to work with the private textile designers directly, introduction of innovative marketing techniques in the sector, the introduction of innovative products like the khadi jeans to attract the young customers, etc. These will also help to remove the privacy problems associated with khadi industry.